ID. Turn your smartphone into a dive gear. Turn your smartphone into dive computer, underwater camera, and photo-synced logbook with DIVEROID. Buying a diving computer, compass, and camera separately for your dive can get pricey over time, and not to mention they are very bulky and can weigh you down while diving. At DIVEROID, we thought of bringing the convenience of having a smartphone always on hand, with the technology of monitoring your dive. Our product includes a dive computer, compass, and logbook all in the palm of your hand.